Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss lesson 1 of history, the next topic. The first topic is Reign of Terror, and the second topic is the Directory Rules France. First of all, we will discuss about the Reign of Terror. Reign of Terror means period of fear, यानी आतंक का युग. The period from 1793 to 1794 is known as the period of fear. This period was under Maximilien Robespierre. This period is known as Reign of Terror because Robespierre followed policy of strict punishment and control. First of all, we should understand what were the policy of strict punishment followed by Robespierre. Robespierre government, whomsoever found enemy such as ex-nobles, church people, means clergy, even own political party member, whomsoever did not agree with his policy was arrested, put in prison, then tried by the court, and if found guilty, he was guillotined. Guillotined means beheaded. Beheaded means head and body was separated. It was done through a device or machine known as guillotine. This machine or device was invented by Dr. Guillotine. That's why it was named guillotine. So, this was the policy of strict punishment followed by Robespierre. Now, we will discuss about the policy of strict control. Robespierre government placed maximum ceiling on each and everything. Ceiling means restriction. Peasants and farmers were forced to transport their grains and to sell on the price fixed by the government. Meat and bread were rationed, means it was under the government distribution system. Thereafter, only equality bread was allowed for everyone. No one could use bread made from white flour. Not only this, in general behavior, some rules and regulations had been also followed, and people were advised to follow strictly, such as every man was to be called Monsieur, means sir. Every woman was to be called Madame, means madam. This was the policy of strict control. Maximilien Robespierre followed such a strict policy of punishment and control. That's why his own party member started demanding reformation. At last, Robespierre was also arrested, imprisoned, and found guilty, and he was also guillotined. Now, this topic is finished. We will discuss the next topic, the Directory rules France. After the fall of Jacobin government or Robespierre government in 1794, the wealthier section of society got chance to rule over France. A new constitution was prepared. This constitution provided a system of two legislative councils that was elected by the voters, and then these two legislative councils elected a team of 5 members, or a directory consisted of 5 executives. This system was adopted to prevent the concentration of power in one hand. Because during Maximilien Robespierre government or during Jacobin government, power was only in the hand of Maximilien Robespierre. That's why he adopted policy of a strict punishment and control. That's why this new constitution just prepared a system of 2 legislative councils, and then a directory was appointed by the legislative council that constituted of 5 executive members. In this way, this constitution adopted this system to divide the power between the legislative council and directory. But there were often clashes between legislative council and directory. Directors always used to treat council member to dismiss them, and there was clashes again and again. This class prepared a way for Napoleon Bonaparte, who was a dictator. In this way, Napoleon Bonaparte got chance to rule over France, and that was the end of elected rule of elected government. That's all. Thank you.